Everyone, today I'm going to show you how to renew your Texas vehicle registration online. This is helpful because it saves you time and you can do it from anywhere as long as you have your vehicle details ready. You can renew your Texas vehicle registration online up to 90 days before it expires, within 1 year after it expires. So to start, go to the official Texas Department of Motor Vehicles website at TxDMV Home. That's TxDMV.gov, or use the official website of the State of Texas portal. You can also renew using the Texas by Texas TXT mobile app, available on the App Store and Google Play. So once you're on the site or app, enter your vehicle info, like your license plate number and the last 4 digits of your VIN. Then just follow the prompts and complete your payment securely. After you renew, your new registration sticker or license plates will be mailed to the address on file, usually within 3 weeks. You'll also get a temporary receipt that lets you drive legally for up to 31 days while you wait. If your address has changed, make sure to update it on TxDMV Home. That's TxDMV.gov before renewing. And if you want, you can also sign up for email reminders on TxDMV Home or TxDMV.gov so you'll know when your next renewal is due. So thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and I'll see you on the next one.